Photographer fan, it's me, Teacher Dan. Got a surprise here. So, you want to know what you get in the kit? Here is one. We're going to do a special unboxing of one of our amazing high-long tourist sack kits. Take a look. Something in the box. This is the perfect gift if your grandma, grandpa are going, or mother or father are going to Hot Long to a vacation. You don't want them to be bored sitting on the beach while you swim. They get one of these because everything they need in order to make long tourist kit bag kit. Let's take a look. So you'll get beautiful bag chain, gold and white leather. This is our ombre metallic lame. Alright, you get all of the thread you need in order to sew the bag. You got removable ring hooks. Yeah. Very strong. Beautiful gold. Another set of removable bag hooks. Alright, so these connect the bag. Latches connect the bag. Strap this bag via the ring. Very strong. Your needle, which again, not sharp. This is all you need because it's very thick, strong thread, and you can make your bag in a cafe, in a hotel, homestay, on the beach, in the mountains. You can do it anywhere with this, even in a moving bus. Alright, you're driving, your bus is taking you, or your tour bus is driving you for 4 hours, and you don't have anything to do except sit. Well, now you can make a one-of-a-kind bag, so you will always remember your trip. Alright, each bag comes with a unique closure. This one is our bow latch closure. Alright, the fabric. Alright, the fabric that will go onto the outer shell of the bag. And then, of course, the boning that you need to make the bag. And that's our kit. So we pack it up nice. Got your boning, got your fabric, got your thread, got your latch, your needle, the other accessories. And then you got your bag chain. You get a very special, one-of-a-kind gift. Tie this up. Ta-da, we throw it in the bag. Plus you get a card. A thank you card from Rogers Fabrics and Apparel, Tang 29, the 29th floor, Green Bay Garden, Chungku Green Bay Garden, in Baichai, Halong. Very easy to find us. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Always, RogersFBA.shop.